Hey folks, it's me, NYSEinstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. On Monday, April, I don't even know. Guys, this market is in a funny mode and it's really taking a lot to try and figure out. We've got so many different people playing in this thing. We've got so many things affecting what's going on. What used to be these trends that used to affect the market for a day or two are now happening within moments. And they're switching, and they're decoupling, and they're doing whatever. What did we see? Gold was up today. Market closed down 26 points. But the market had a bit of a roller coaster ride today. There was no question about it. We opened down about 20 or 30 points. We sold off hard, about 134 points. A lot of sort of negative economic health news came out over the weekend. Not health sector, but the economy's health. Okay? This market's had a huge run. People have been trading this year so far. We're able to hold on for the lows of February and take on the rally that we've seen over 12 or 13% since then. Are ready to maybe take some profits. Why are you going to give it back? There's always that sell in May and go away. There are all these slogans that come on when you're coming into the second quarter. There's a lot of push that this market was going to sell off hard, and it didn't. Okay? We squeezed out a lot of the short guys. But once you squeeze out the short guys and you've got guys who have been long the market and it's time to take profits into a sort of a weak anemic earnings season, you're going to see a market sell off. We talked about it last week. Spiders in the Dow spiked out at the top 52-week highs, and we've seen a sell-off of 2 to 4% since that in 4 days. That's radical. That's a big, as big as the buyback was from February 11th till now. This is even a little bit quicker on the sell-off. So we hit technical resistance level in the Dow and the S&P after a major 6 to 8 week rally. And you see, and then we have coincided with nothing geopolitical going on, nothing particularly FOMC related, just technical levels and little weakness in earnings, and you're going to see people taking profits and making sales. That's what I think we're seeing. We sold it sell-off pretty hard this morning. People are taking profits. That's what it felt like on an intraday basis. Market sold off kind of hard. Europe closed. We rallied back. You're always going to see, when you see those sell-offs that are quick, you're going to see people who are putting money to work, right? Okay? Those are the guys who are taking the buy-side posture right now. So when things get cheap and people, it's like Mortimer, sell. When everyone's selling, then buy. They're those people who hop in that train. So I don't want to read too much into it. Market sold off hard this morning, rallied back, then sold off again down 90, and then rallied back. So every time this market does sell off, there are people putting money to work. There are people taking advantage of that. Okay? So we've got, within a day, we've seen 300 point move. Down 40, down 140, rallied back, down 90, rallied back, down 40, rallied to close down 26. A lot of movement within a day. I don't think it really coupled with what oil was doing. I just see people taking profits and people taking positions. That's all I'm going to read into today. Tomorrow's another day. It's the end of the last week in April, and then we come to May. There are people who say sell in May and then go away. I ain't going to take an idea on that one yet. Go home. It's Monday. It's a beautiful sunny day. Have some fun.